Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a safe copy of the workbook. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, recognize why. Windows saves a file system creation date separate from Excel's internal properties. Now open PowerShell as an administrator and navigate to the folder containing the copy. Make sure Excel is closed so metadata locks don't block changes. You're initiating the change via the file system, not by editing the workbook. That distinction matters for later compatibility. You will run PowerShell commands to alter the file system creation date. First, use getItem to reference the copy, then set creation time with the exact data time string, for example 2020-06-1509-30:00. Once executed, verify using getItem to read creation time, last write time, and last access time so you understand what's changed. You're doing this because Windows File timestamps control what Explorer and many tools show. You finish by opening the workbook to ensure the file behaves as expected. Note that Excel's internal created property may not change. If the timestamp reverts, make sure OneDrive or other sync services are disabled, and close any app that might lock the file. If you hit permission errors, run PowerShell as admin or use sysinternal's utilities to take ownership temporarily. Finally, keep the original backup until you confirm the system and applications reflect the new creation date.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.